Well, do you all like coincidence? How's this one for you? Today, I have court for the two charges, the failure to obey traffic control device and the no brake light, no rear brake on a bicycle. Now, what are the odds that today, with my court date, in just I don't know how many hours from now, but I'm standing in my front yard walking the dog, and a cop car comes by doing 10 miles per hour in front of my place of residence. What are the odds of that? One hell of a coincidence. Delusional fantasy, huh? David Lewis, you are a fucking liar. It would seem to me that a delusional fantasy would not last for 2 years, let alone be caught in high definition camera in 400 videos on YouTube. Alright, and now I'm walking to court. 1805 10th Street. That's 10th and Q. Q as in Queen. That's the address of the house, I believe, has the marijuana smell coming from it. 2 vehicles with off-road lights in the daytime. That white car failed to signal a lane change, failure to signal a turn, failure to stop at a stop sign. And there's a van in front of that with off-road lights. 57251. And 452 Echo George. First vehicle was a PT Cruiser, I believe. Second one was a green van, Ford van. Both of them failed to stop at a stop sign, come to a complete stop, but the first vehicle was a Crater Lake license plate with Charles Lincoln in the front of it. Failed to even attempt to stop at a stop sign. And the question to me is, where the hell are the cops to enforce the law? Too busy driving past my place of residence, apparently, but not too busy to be out here stopping people from breaking the law. Way to earn that paycheck. 217 Charles Sierra Alpha, a gray Dodge Dakota, failure to signal a turn and failure to stop at a stop sign. Where are the cops? I'm on a main road in the daytime. There's no excuse for there to be no cops around. Hang on. Charles Union 25599er cultural license plate on a white Honda 4-door car. Failure to stop at a stop sign. Well, I just saw one of the white Chevy trucks. The 2-door extra cab trucks. Says police on the side, even though that's not really who they are. Heading west on B Street, heading to the pig station. And just in case any of you were wondering why I have a bicycle and yet I'm walking to court, it's because someone came by and slashed my rear tire. Odd coincidence. Another odd coincidence, as soon as I turn my phone on, I am at 5th and B Street right now, B as in Bravo. Right here's the pig station. As soon as I turn on my phone, I see a cop car coming toward me. 242710. Oh, just like, what the hell are you doing? I think that's Clow. 48 on the quarter panel, hang on. Failure to come to a complete stop. Clough or Clough, or however you pronounce her last name. Pretty damn sure that was her. She drove right on by a no parking animal loading zone. Did nothing. That vehicle was holding her up. Did nothing. This guy, Highland Construction, 9023 Charles Queen Tango, parked in a yellow zone. Ladies and gentlemen, yellow zone. Highland Construction of Springfield, Oregon. Phone number 726-8081. Dodge 4x4. 2 vehicles parked, one in a yellow zone, and they're both facing the wrong way on the wrong side of the street. Perfect videoing opportunity. 240280. 16 on the quarter panel. 240280. There's the SUV. And as you can see, there is only one.
James.
Alright, allow me to read this to you. Got a few minutes before my court date. Chevy van right here says, Lockout Crime Project. Springfield Police Department Crime Prevention Unit. And the funny thing is, I have never seen that vehicle on the street. Crime Prevention Unit. What's that? What are all those? I've never seen that one on the street. Alright, I'm heading into court. I shouldn't need anybody to wish me luck because I'm not guilty. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you know the place. 230 4th Street, I believe. 214824, 81 on the quarter panel. Community Service Officer is what it says with this tailgate down. Anyway, the judge is going to let me know. It sounded like he said guilty on the failure to obey a traffic control device charge. That guy's in a yellow zone. I'm out here providing the city a service, and I'm getting tickets for it. Oh, that looked like failure to stop, officer. So let's see. 242710, 48 on the quarter panel. Looks like Clow. That's right, the one that assaulted me 7 times. Broke my MP3 player. Took my camera from me and had it damaged. Anyway. Springfield Justice Center. Let's see. Judge is going to get back to me and let me know. He's going to let me know by mail on the other charge. There was a sea of cops in there. There were, I'd say, 8 to 12 cops in there. I was even searched after I had went into the courtroom, after I let the bailiff search my bag, my backpack. I was searched twice. I was searched by Officer Scott Malowski, I think is his last name. I've known that guy for a while, and he does such a thing as Clow. She's all, woo, and throws her arm up. Professionalism, yes indeed. Anyway, supposed to let me know by mail. They even, apparently, what I was told while I was in there, have made complaints to the DA's office. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the DA's office. And they said that nothing was going to be done about it. Well, it's about fucking time some justice happens around here. I'm not doing anything illegal. I am catching the ones who are breaking the law. You're damn right they're not going to do anything about it. They try to have a stalking order charged against me. Do you fucking believe that? A stalking order. I'm out here saving people's lives, and they try to have me charged with a stalking order. Guess what? This is free America. You cannot oppress me. You cannot try to kill me again. You can't tell me what I can and cannot do. Because I was born in this country, there's an American flag waving over the front door of my home. I am a free American and I fight for my rights no matter how much you want to try to deny them and drag my name through the dirt. So after the case was all dismissed, I step outside, the sea of 12 cops staring back at me. I asked them, so you guys reported me to the DA's office, huh? And I asked, well, what exactly happened with that? And not a one of them, not a fucking one said a word. They just stared back at me. Every last cop just sitting there glaring at me. That's professionalism. That's what they get paid for. That's their training. It takes 12 fucking cops to stare at me and ignore me. Delusional fantasy, eh, David Lewis? Yeah, fuck you.